Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's a couple of days before Christmas here in 2022, and I got sort of a Christmas present from the folks at Wazoo Survival I want to share with you real quickly and kind of do a little channel update as we wrap up another year here on YouTube. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. As I said, it's almost Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you and your family. And I want to do a quick channel update, but first, I got sort of a Christmas present from my folks at Wazoo Survival. And I say sort of a Christmas present because I paid for this. They didn't send this to me for free. This is, I supported their Kickstarter for their new Spark necklace, so I thought we would just do a quick opening here on camera for you. I don't usually do those opening things, but I thought we'd do it. Let's see what came in here. And my friends Dustin and folks over at Wazoo Survival, so let's just see. Oh, it's got one of these fancy padded envelopes, right? There we go. I was afraid of that. I was afraid I was going to wind up cutting my paperwork. I'm not used to working with gloves on, so, but here we go. All right, let's see what's in here. You want to? Let's pull them out of here. I'll show you real quick and then we'll get to the channel update. So I guess that's it. Don't really need this packing list. Oh, so a couple things in here. Let's go first. I got some really cool little Wazoo Survival Gear sticker. Really cool. A little Spark necklace sticker. Official backer, all right, because this is a Kickstart thing. A fire card. This is cool. This is a little credit card tender that you can put in your wallet. It says, scrape the edge of the card to make a small pile of shavings. Skip the step if using an open flame like a lighter. Lay it flat with the corner touching the shavings and ignite the shavings with a spark. 30 seconds of intense burning. It will leave an oily stain when burned. And so this is not just a regular credit card. It's infused with something burnable. Another little box there to see what's in here. Oh, look at this. This was a stretch goal thing, and so get out of there. We got a couple of more fire cards in here. A little Wazoo whistle. We'll take a look at this stuff on a detail later. Just wanted to show you. This is a little mini. I think this thing is titanium. It weighs absolutely nothing. Very nice. You know, I think a whistle is a really important survival tool. And then finally, the Survival Spark necklace. And I went with the upgraded one and got the Viking whetstone pendant as well on it. So it's all together. So let's just open this thing up here. They got some nice packaging here now from the folks at Wazoo Survival Gear. So get it out of there. Now, I just dropped something, I think. Did I drop something? Maybe I didn't. Okay, here it is. So this is it. Really cool. It is a leather thong. Has a mini ferro rod on it. Hush, Kuma. he must have found him a possum. A little ceramic striker on back, which swivels out here like that. This is ceramic. It's not plastic. Very, very sharp to scrape the ferro rod. And then a nice little Viking whetstone. This is a really nice Arkansas whetstone. Fits all around your neck in a nice little pendant. Not only looks cool, but it's very, very functional. And so you have the ability to keep your knife sharp and to strike and start a fire in one little package you can wear around your neck, unobtrusively under your shirt or whatever. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably do a more detailed review on this thing later, but I just wanted to kind of give you a quick glimpse of it, show it to you because it really is really cool. And you know, the folks at Wazoo Survival Gear are not only friends of mine, but they make really, really good stuff. So that being said, let's talk about the channel update. We'll wrap this up. I don't want to spend too much time. I know you're probably getting ready for Christmas or the last minute stuff. So first of all, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. We're wrapping up year number 9 here on YouTube. A couple quick channel stats. My very first video was November the 19th, 2013. So far to date, not including this video, I have 1,883 videos on YouTube, so almost 2,000. 37.3 million views, in 9 years. 3 million hours watch time. 3 million hours watching my videos. People need to get a life. So that being said, let's talk about a little bit about kind of where the channel is planning on going in 2023. Yeah, I have a goal for 2023, and as of right now, this channel has 259,600 and something subscribers. So it's taken me 9 years to get 260,000 subscribers, basically. My goal for 2023 is to bump that growth pattern up to 300,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be asking for your help to do that, to share the videos, get them out there, and I'm going to try to. It'll be a 10-year anniversary next year, so I really want to go out, want to make it big. I'm going to try to have a humongous giveaway. When I get to 300,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a really big one, so hopefully we can do that next year. So anyway, we're less than a month away from SHOT Show now, about a month away. So we'll be going back to SHOT Show this year, and it's the 7th one I will have attended. So I'm looking for requests. If anything that you might want me to see at SHOT Show, you might want me to focus on, just put it in the video comments here. I'll do my best. I'll try to reach out to those people and set something up. So the quicker you do that, the better. Also, be watching. I plan on doing some live streams from YouTube from SHOT Show this year. So I'm going to try to figure that out on my phone. So I may try a sample next week. I'll let you know about that. Just kind of a test run to see how it works. Chuck Norris doesn't breathe. He holds air hostage. Third thing, real quickly, if you've been watching the channel, you know for the past few years, Big Daddy Unlimited has been a sponsor of the channel, and I have been a big supporter of Big Daddy Unlimited. There's been a lot of drama about that, a lot of controversy about that. At this point, what I'm going to say is that Big Daddy Unlimited is no longer a sponsor of the channel at this time. So maybe I'll go into that in more detail later, maybe not, but anyway, there's that. I just want to bring that up to you. So, but if you do want to sponsor the channel, have a Patreon. You can go to patreon.com/survivalonpurpose and help support the channel there. I'm kind of changing that up, so there'll be some changes in that over the next few weeks or months as well. But that'd be one way to support the channel. Another way is if you go to survivalonpurpose.com/sponsors. There's a bunch of links on there to people, to companies that you can get a good deal, and at the same time I get a little bit of a commission for referring you. So it's a win-win for everybody. So that's certainly a good thing you can do there, and so really no extra cost to you. And finally, if you want to pick you up one of them really cool Survival on Purpose t-shirts or hoodies or whatever, my hat keeps getting crooked, you can go to survivalonpurpose.com/swag. We got some made in the USA stuff there, and that helps support the channel. So that's it. Thanks for sticking with me for 9 years. I really sincerely appreciate your support. So Merry Christmas to you and your family. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.